Hello, my all sweet little children. Dear children, I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes and studying very well. Today, I am Mrs. Rashmi, your GK teacher, going to teach you about the topic animal sounds. So, let's start today's class. Welcome you all to my GK class. Today, we will learn about the topic animal sounds. Children, you know, animals also make sounds and talk to each other. All animals make different types of sounds. All animals make different types of sounds. Each sound has a specific name. So let's see different animals with their different sounds. Sheep bleats. Sheep bleats. A sheep makes a bleat sound. A sheep makes a bleat sound. Elephant trumpets. Elephant trumpets. A elephant makes a trumpet sound. A elephant makes a trumpet sound. Next, frog croaks. Frog croaks. A frog makes a croak sound. A frog makes a croak sound. Next, donkey brays. Donkey brays. A donkey makes a brays sound. A donkey makes a brays sound. Snake hiss. Snake hiss. A snake makes a hiss sound. A snake makes a hiss sound. Next, bee buzz. Bee buzz. A bee makes a buzz sound. A bee makes a buzz sound. Next, pigeon coo. Pigeon coo. A pigeon makes a coo sound. A pigeon makes a coo sound. Next, horse neigh. Horse neigh. A horse makes a neigh sound. A horse makes a neigh sound. Dear children, I hope you all have understood the topic animal sounds. Thank you. Take care.